Now let's talk about adding colors. The default colors are the colors that have been showing in all the borders. Now let's add color. Color includes the control, either a divide, a ring, an outline, and then the color. You can say color ring black, ring white, and then all the other color variants we have. And then color shade is from 50 to 950. Let's do that for border. I'm going to have a text of just 5 words and then create a border around it. And I'm going to make a 4 border so you can see the border, and then put color. You say border and you specify whichever color. If you want it to be white color, you say border white alone. That wouldn't need any other color. You can also say border black, which will give you border black. But if you want colors with shade, you can say border red, say 500, and that will give you a red border. This is the same thing for outline. Let me put margin bottom 5 here so you can separate it. I'm going to take out the border and border color, and I'm just going to add outline blue 500. Of course, you can use any color you want. And as you would guess, it's also the same thing for ring. So I will just change this to ring. We have ring here. Let me put margin bottom 5 here so we can separate the tags. So we have the same syntax for border, outline, and ring. We can do the same thing for divide. I'm going to copy this here and then just change the divide color. I'll say divide orange 500, and then you can see that done here. I think I should put a description for this. This is border color, this outline color, and ring color, and the 4th is divide color. When you look at these codes from the Git repository, you'll be able to understand what it means. The last part we're going to treat is border style. Maybe I should change this word from border to line, since border is one of the type. So I'm going to change this to line width. Yeah. So I think line makes it more general. The line style determines the type of line that is drawn on the element. If you look at this syntax, for border is border solid, which is the default. You can have dash lines, you can have dotted lines, you can have double lines or hidden line. And also the same thing for outline and then ring and divide. It's only border that has hidden. Let's start with our dummy text, and we'll say lorem 5. I'm going to add a border, say border 4 and border red 500, and then I can now add the default is solid. And as you can see, nothing changes. This looks just like any other border, and I can change it to dashed, and you'll see the border are dashed. I can change it to dotted. It's dotted, and you can have double lines. And this is the same thing for outline. I'm going to change all the border to outline. Naturally, you will add the word outline as the first parameter for outline, but you don't have to add it if you've added outline double. Okay, let me just take out this outline double. This outline is the same thing as outline solid. If you now do outline dotted, it's going to work. You don't have to add an extra outline there. This works the same thing with a ring. I'm going to make a copy and change the outline to ring, and you'll see it works. These also work the same way with a divide. So I can come and say change the divide to a dashed divide. Let me give them a description. This video is part of my course on Udemy titled Mastering Tailwind CSS with Project Example. Currently, we have 18 project examples that you can use. So go to the link in the description below for our sales coupon to access the course.